Good morning, students. A very warm good morning to all of you. And once again, I welcome to everyone in GK video children. This is my second video of this week. In this video, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 19. And the name of this chapter is Other Names. Yes, my dear, in this video you will see the different object and the different things have their another name. Okay, children, so let's start, my dear. You can see here, like first one is a taxi, spelling TAXI. We call them also cab. Another name of taxi is cab, 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 my dear, cab. Its another name is cab. And taxi or cab is an important role as a transportation alternative in many cities. In developed countries, taxi is tend to be used as substitute for the private vehicles by passengers who use the service for convenience reason or because they do not want to go on a car. So they use taxi or cab. So taxi cab is the another name of what? Taxi. Okay, so you can say taxi and cab, both are same word, okay, my dear. Now next you can see here is peanuts, spelling PEANUTS. We can also say, my dear, groundnuts. Peanuts is the another name of groundnuts, okay, my dear, or groundnuts is the another name of peas. Both are same, my dear. And peanuts are what especially good source of health, fats, protein and fiber. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, okay, my dear. So peanuts and groundnuts are same and they are very good source of health, okay, my dear. Now let's see the another name, like you can see here, sunglasses. My dear, you can say sunglasses or you can say goggles. Both are same. Okay, both are same word. So sunglasses protect our eyes against the sun or ultraviolet rays. Okay, and also they protect against blue light from the solar spectrum. So sunglasses and goggles are the same words. Okay, so goggles and sunglasses protect our eyes. Goggles or sunglasses, or there you will use or because both are same here. Okay, now next is a rooster or cock. Another name of rooster is cock, my dear, COCK, cock. The word rooster is the another name of rooster is cock. We can say cock, either we can say cock or rooster. Rooster is relatively recent terms. The term rooster refers to an adult male chicken. This term did not appear until 1772. Before that, an adult male chicken was called cock. Okay, after that it is called as rooster, my dear. Okay, next let's read here is another name is a corn. Corn, spelling CORN, corn. Maize is the another word of corn, my dear. You both are same word. It means corn or maize. It is the another name of corn. Maize is the another name of corn. And also corn is one of the most widely consumed cereals grains as a good source of antioxidant. Yellow corn may promote eye health. It is also a rich source of many vitamins and minerals, my dear. So what is the another name of corn? You will speak here maize, MAIZE. Now next is here aeroplane. The word aeroplane we use word aeroplane or you can say airplane. Both are same word. So another name of aeroplane is here airplane. Okay, it flies in air, so it is also called airplane. So airplane or aeroplane, okay, informally plane is fixed wings, aircraft. The Wright brother were two American credit to invent this aeroplane. Okay, my dear. And also flying the world first successfully airplanes. Yes, Wright brother flying first successfully airplane. So aeroplane you can say, or aeroplane or airplane, both are same word, my dear. Okay, because in this chapter name is another name. So what is the another name of aeroplane is airplane. Another name of corn is maize. Okay, now let's read, my dear. After that, yes, brinjal, spelling BRIANJAL, brinjal, BRIANJAL, brinjal. Another name of brinjal is eggplant. It is also called eggplant. It is the color of purple. It is purple in colors. Okay, and also what do you know about this? Brinjals are also known as eggplant, or it is very rich source of fiber and carbohydrate. This vegetable comes in different sizes as well as in color. It is highly significant the control blood sugar. Okay, so my dear, the brinjal is also known as eggplant. So brinjal and eggplants are same word. So what is the another name of brinjal? You will speak here eggplant, EGG, eggplant, plant. Another name of brinjal is eggplant. Now after that is here eyeglasses, or you can say spectacles. So eyeglasses also called what? Spectacles, or lenses to it set the frames and wearing in front of the eyes to add virus. Okay, so what I am telling here, my dear, what is the another name of eyeglass? You will write here spectacles, SPECTACLES, spectacles. Okay, my dear, so these all about have their another name, like you can see I have said. Now after that, some more you all will do in your copy. So write the another name for the following. Okay, and already you all are knowing, so let's do. Like first is here written, what is the another name of astronaut? Do you know, my dear? Astronauts or cosmonaut. Yes, astronaut and cosmonaut have the same meaning. They have the same meaning. The notable difference is that American use the term astronaut, while Russians use the term cosmonauts. This is the only difference, but both have the same meaning. Okay, now next is freeze. You can see here refrigerator, freeze or refrigerators. Both have the same meaning, and you all know about the refrigerator, my dear. Yes, freeze keeps the fruits fresh and cool, my dear. Okay, now after that is notebook, or you can say copy. We use notebook or copy to write something on it. Now let's read next one. Another name of paper. We can also say sheet, paper or sheet, my dear. You can say paper as well as sheets. Both have the same meaning. Now things, objects. Another name of things is object. Things, object. Hibiscus, or you can say China rose. Hibiscus or China rose. Both are same word. Okay. Next. That is table tennis. What is the another name of table tennis, my dear? Ping pong. P-I-N-G. Ping, P-O-N-G. Pong. And table tennis is played on hard table divided by a net. Now football. Another name of football, you can say soccer. S-O-C-C-E-R. It is the most popular sports in the world. Over 1 billion people watch World Cup on television. Okay, my dear. Boxing, you can say pugilism. P-U-G-I-L-G-I-L-I-S-M. What is the another name of purse? You will write here handbag. H-A-N-D, hand. B-A-G, bag. Handbags is made of animal leather, and leather is obtained from animal's skin, my dear. Okay, so these all about another name. These like table tennis have also, we can say ping pong. Ping pong, another name of football is soccer. Boxing, pugilism, purse, handbag. So these all about another name, my dear. So first you will read this chapter and you will learn the another name of the different object. Okay. Now, so for today, once again, I would like to tell you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.